Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through how to enable disappearing messages for 7 days on the WhatsApp app for PC. This new update brings more control and privacy to your conversations, and it only takes a moment to set up. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings and messages. Once the app is open, look to the left side menu. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on it to continue. Now, from the menu that appears, find and select Privacy. This is where WhatsApp has grouped all your privacy-related options, including who can see your information and how long your messages stay visible. Inside the Privacy section, scroll until you see Default Message Timer. This is the feature that controls how long your messages will last before they automatically disappear. Click Default Message Timer and you'll notice several options to choose from. These time durations determine how long your chats will remain before being deleted automatically. For this guide, select 7 days. This means every new chat you start will have messages that vanish after 7 days, keeping your conversations cleaner and more private over time. Once you've made that selection, the change will take effect instantly. There's no need to restart the app or confirm any extra steps. From now on, all new chats will automatically follow this setting. Your older chats will stay the same unless you change them manually. This update is perfect for users who want a balance between temporary chats and ongoing conversations. It helps keep your messages light, decluttered, and more secure, especially if you share a device or prefer not to keep old messages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled disappearing messages for 7 days on WhatsApp for PC. Thanks for watching.